Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kochi location. It is from Kerala. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for Administrative Associate position from Abasoft for Kochi location. So let's discuss about roles and responsibilities and also requirements. Firstly, for requirements, freshers and as well as experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this position, and ability to multitask and prioritize daily workload, solid knowledge of office procedures, basic accounting knowledge is required, able to multitask and prioritize work effectively, proficiency in English is required, and qualification will be BCom or MCom or MBA, and they are preferring female candidates for this job role. And coming to roles and responsibilities, prepare weekly, monthly invoices and purchase reports, handling communication with clients and vendors via phone, email and in person, performing basic office tasks such as filling data entry, answering calls, processing mail, etc. Act as the point of contact for all employees, providing administrative support and managing their queries, managing office stock, preparing regular reports and organizing company records, supervise and coordinate activities of staff. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and as well as the requirements are mentioned here. So you please go with the information provided here, and for further details about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is another opportunity for video editor position from the same organization, Abasoft, for Kochi location. So for this job opening, requirements will be familiarity with special effects, 2D, 3D and compositing, research orientation, the ability to work under pressure and meet tight deadlines, and having knowledge in Adobe video editing solutions, and latest types to info or video editing solutions understandability, and having above 1 year of experience for this position. Next, coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to establish the desired feel and look for the video to be created, and improve video and sound quality using various video software, designing visual content for social media platform including but not limited to Instagram, FB, LinkedIn and YouTube, assist team in developing and executing communications plans, provide technical support for design and video related efforts. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So for more detailed information about the job vacancy, you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job role for junior .NET developer web from the same organization. It is for Kochi location. So they are looking for 1 year of experienced candidates as a .NET developer or application developer. So you should be having knowledge on Umbraco and familiarity with the architecture styles or APIs, REST and RPC, understanding of software development lifecycle and agile methodologies, understanding of Scrum methodologies, and the candidate must have worked in ASP.NET MVC lifecycle, AngularJS, Angular 2 and above, SQL Server database at the backend, and should be having strong analytical and problem solving and communication skills. Coming to education qualification details, the candidate should have done his graduation or her graduation and also post graduation, like BE or BTech or MCA or BCA candidates are preferable. Next, coming to roles and responsibilities, write clean, scalable code using .NET programming languages and should be responsible for working with the .NET Web Framework 4.0 and 4.0 plus and web service, API, MVC, AngularJS and Bootstrap, upgrading, configuring and debugging existing systems, solving issues that arise in day-to-day issues and providing timely responses and solutions as required. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and also you please check with the requirements provided here, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy you can visit in the official website link provided. Next, there is a job opening for associate position for Kochi location. It is from Deloitte organization. So coming to eligibility criteria, the candidate should have cleared both groups of IPCC and should not have registered for articleship with any other firm. And the candidates who have appeared for IPCC 1 and 2 in the May 2019 batch and are awaiting results can also apply for this position, and the candidate should have completed and are pursuing graduation. So graduation candidates are also eligible to apply for this position, and you can also check with all the requirements and provided here. So interested candidates, for further details about this job opening you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for relationship officer branch banking. So it is from Kotak Mahindra for Kochi location. So coming to job requirements, equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew, thorough understanding of banking and also customer retention. So these are the job requirements, and let's discuss about job role. Handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening and grievances, liability product selling, liability and product features and checkbook insurance, speed and efficiency of service given, sales target for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross-sell of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. You please go through with the information provided here, and for further details about the job opening you can visit in the website link provided. Next, there is a job vacancy for IT specialist or IT associate position from Marriott International INC for Kochi location. So here is the job summary. You please go through with the information, and for other detailed information about the job vacancy you can visit in the official website link provided here, that is https://careers.marriott.com/. Next, there is a job vacancy for assistant manager for sales or sales manager proactive from Marriott International INC for Kochi location. So here is the job summary. You please go through with the information, and for additional information you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for guest service associate housekeeping position from Marriott International INC for Kochi location. So here are the some of the responsibilities and also about the job summary, like replace guest amenities and supplies in rooms, make beds and fold sheets, remove trash, dirty linens and room service items, guest greet guests and take care of requests. So rest of the job responsibilities you please go through it once, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for front office associate position from Marriott International INC for Kochi location. So here is the job summary about this job position. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. At last, there is a job vacancy for guest service associate laundry position from Marriott International. So it is for Kochi location. So here is the job summary provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.